Renee's Breaks here. So my mom got me a box of Topps Holiday for Christmas. Yay! So we're gonna open these up right now. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Hopefully everyone's having good holidays. Hopefully we get some good. This feels so heavy. All right, let's do. Oh no! Let's do this. Oh yes, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Okay, we got Jake Lamb. Oh, Gregory Polanco, Chris Davis, Jacob deGrom, Giancarlo Stanton. Oh, I'm like way over. Andrew Tolles, Alex Reyes, Josh Donaldson, David Wright, and Aaron Nola. Dun, dun. Okay, Clayton Kershaw, Joe Mauer, Upside Down, Jose Barrios, Tyler Austin, Cole Calhoun, ooh, sparkly one, Jason Hayward, Chris Bryant, Adam Jones, oops, Anthony Rizzo, and Trevor Story. Come on, let's get a Christmas big Christmas card. It's got like a one of one. Andrew McCutcheon, Kevin Gossman, Johnny Cueto, Carson Fulmer, Seung Hwan Oh. Maybe I said that right this time. Brandon Crawford, Adrian Beltre, Byron Buxton, Adam Duvall, and Hanley Ramirez. Let's get a redemption. Francisco Lindor, Alex Wood, Ian Kinsler, Upside Down, Jose Bautista, Steven Strasburg, that's a sparkly one. Eric Skoglund, Ryan Braun, Evan Longoria, Jose De Leon, the beautiful Arabesque, and Julius Kikiriel.
You really like this Arabesque.
I like their Arabesque, yeah, I like when they Arabesque. It's nice. Blends ballet and baseball into one.
Did you order?
Alex Bregman, Trey Turner, Ender Encarnacion, I don't know how to say it, Will Myers, Paul Goldschmidt, Edwin Encarnacion, Addison Russell, Luke Weaver, Jake Thompson, and Jordan Montgomery. Look, they're like twinsies. Jameson Taillon, Aaron Judge, that's a good one. That's a nice one. Is that just, that's just a regular one, right? But it doesn't matter. Travis Shaw, is it? Yeah. Ichiro, we like Ichiro. Julio Urias, Sparkly, Craig Kimbrell. Any of these numbered? I'll have to go back and look. Obviously, I always miss stuff in the holiday boxes. Jason Hayward, Craig Kimbrell, regular, Rognud Odor, and Matt Carpenter. Come on. Yonder Alonso. I've never heard of him, I don't think. Derek Fisher, Trey Mancini, Hunter Pence. He looks terrified. Ian Happ, Sonny Gray, Corey Kluber, Freddie Freeman, Nomar Mazara, and Manny Margot. All right, 3 more packs. Let's get a redemption. Is Bellinger in here? He is, right? Yeah, he's on the cover. Adam Wainwright. He forgot he was my boyfriend. It's okay. Yo Moncada, Yadier Molina, Charlie Blackmon, Brandon Phillips, that's the sparkly one. Brian Dozier, J.D. Martinez, Xander Bogaerts, Carlos Rodon, and Lucas Giolito. You know, you can't win them all. Oh, there's something in here.
There it is.
Uh-huh. Well, there's a relic in every box, or an autograph or something. Looks like a relic. Justin Verlander. Oh my gosh, I don't want to reveal it too soon. Corey Dickerson. Marcus Stroman. Trying not to reveal it. Lance McCullers. Oh, there it is. Upside down. Chris Archer. Game used memorabilia for the Tampa Bay Rays. Congratulations. We did it. That's cool. George Springer. Probably not. Ardolis Chapman. And Michael Conforto. All right, last pack. Come on, Bellinger, I need you. Steven Strasburg. These are so hard. They don't like to. Brandon Phillips. Denelson Lament. Cameron Maben. He needs to watch that. Garrett Cole. Oh, sparkly Rognud Odor. That one's really sparkly. Noah Syndergaard, my first boyfriend. There he is, Cody Bellinger. My two boyfriends next to each other. We kiss each other. Cody Bellinger, Yasiel Puig, and Dustin Pedroia. Okay, Merry Christmas, everyone. See you soon. Bye.